come back. But anyway, so in the practice and the people that you treat, um, what would you say are the biggest emotional challenges?
The longing, the feeling of missing out, the feeling of my child has a life there, and I'm not part of that life. Jan, I've got a saying that what makes it most difficult for us as human beings is the picture in our head of how it's supposed to be. And when that picture gets distorted, then it's very difficult. So what I'm trying to say is when you have children, I think most of us have this idea that when they grow up, because we want them to leave the house, we want them to be on their own. Most of my parents says just we never thought that they'd go that far away from home. But you visualize your children on their own, independent, having grandchildren. But then you also visualize them coming back and spending a weekend with you, and you are with the grandchildren, and you grow up with the grandchildren. Because that's the picture in your head. That's how it's supposed to be. And now all of a sudden, this whole picture of how it's supposed to be is not happening because they are in Australia. We've got a time difference. I don't even know when the next school concert is. I can't go to a opa and a oma dag. So as a parent and especially as a grandparent, I've got a double loss because I'm losing out on my child's life and I'm losing out on my grandchild's life. But there are ways to deal with that. But yes, that's the most thing we're missing out on, and it's the small things, going to a party together, or just some of the parents will say, just to sit and talk with my child, or just to sit in silence with my child. So I'm missing out on important moments in their life.